Okay, took that piece and cut it away. Alright, this little spacer right here I'm going to use. So back underneath the truck. This spacer up right there. Put the sway away shock on. It's going to stop right there. And then as I tighten it down, it'll tighten up on that spacer. So, won't be an issue. Here's the other piece. Okay. Grab this sway away shock. There's this way away. Space runner 2.5. So this. Two of these two washers right here. Okay, goes in. And I need that hammer. It's already underneath the car. Oh shit. I'll put that top one up first. Hold this dang camera nice at the same time. You cut the front of the sway way off. You got to pull these out. It won't fit. Got it up there like that. I need 3 washers because I can put one up here. Let's put a washer up there. Okay, just that one. I just snipped this guy. You know, put it in there. Put a washer on one side. Go get another washer, put it on the other side, and pretty much it's done. The other side. You may have to adjust it with your thing after you're done with it. But that's pretty much it. These ones you can keep on. So you're gonna have a little bit of space. That's where these guys come in. You put a washer on each side. So I get that guy. No bolt right in. You get your sway ways. Hope this helps somebody.